Ndewonu, nnọọnụ na chanel m n'ụbọchị taa. Aha m ka bụ Nwaada Oziọma. Taa, anyị ga-amụta ihe mkpọrọ command ma request n'asụsụ Igbo. Ngwanụ ka anyị bido. Number 1 is be going. Be going can be gawa or jewe. Gawa, jewe. You know, go in Igbo is either ga or je. Go in Igbo language is either ga or je. So you can say gawa or jewe. Some can use be, can be gaba or jebe. That only bụ gaba mobu jebe. Okay, that's be going. Number 2 is live here. Live here. Live here n'Igbo bụ pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a. Pụọ ebe a. Pụọ is live. Si ebe a pụọ. You can also hear si ebe a pụọ. That's number 3. Leave from here or get out from this place. Si ebe a pụọ. Si ebe a pụọ. Get out from this place or leave from here. So number 4 is come. You already know that, which is bia. Bia. So and that takes us to number 5. Nke bụ becoming. Becoming. Becoming bụ na-abịa. 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 Or it can also be bịawa or bịaba. Bịawa or bịaba. So this is similar to be going, which we say gawa or gaba or jewe or jebe. So bịawa, 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 bịaba, bịaba, bịawa, bịaba. Na-abịa, na-abịa, na-abịa. So come here bụ bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a bụ come here. Go there bụrụzie gaa ebe ahụ. Gaa ebe ahụ. Gaa ebe ahụ. Get up. So someone is seated and you want to say get up, you say bilie. So when we add auto, either you say bilie or kulie. So there is the usage of be and there is usage of ke. So bilie, kulie, bilie auto, bilie auto, kulie auto, kulie auto, kulie auto. Some Igbo dialect we use ne for the place where we have le. So because binye, binye, then the kulie becomes kunie, kunie. So for standard Igbo, that's written Igbo, you say bilie. Instead you say bilie, you can decide to add the author or you say kulie and add the author, kulie author or just kulie. That's get up. So if you want to tell Nneka to get up, you say Nneka kulie. Nneka si ebe ahụ kulie. Nneka get up from that place. Nneka si ebe ahụ kulie. Get up from that place. Si ebe ahụ kulie or si ebe ahụ bilie. Okay? Now, that takes us to our number 7, and which is stand up. Stand up is kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ. Now, let me ask you a question. How do you say stand up from that place? Oh, no, that's not. The best thing to say is get up from that place. Stand up there. How would you say stand up there or stand there? Stand there. Now, how to say stand there is kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Stand there is kwụrụ ebe ahụ. No need putting the author. Stand up is kwụrụ ọtọ. Then stand there kwụrụ ebe ahụ. You can also hear the usage of guzoro. So stand up for some people is guzoro ọtọ or guzo ọtọ. Stand there, guzo ebe ahụ. But for standard English, it is standard Igbo, it is kwụrụ ọtọ. Then stand there, kwụrụ ebe ahụ. Now that takes us to the next one, which is come and eat. Come and eat is bia rie. By now you should know this. If you've been watching my previous videos, I made a video on sentences, 19 Igbo sentences on food. That's sentences that have to relate on food. And I know come and eat is one of the sentences I made. So if you are yet to watch that previous video, please, after watching this, take yourself to that one, okay? Bia rie nri, come and eat. Bia rie nri. Bia rie nri, come and eat. Now, wait here is chere eba. Chere eba, wait here. Chere eba. Chere eba, that's wait here. Okay, wait for me becomes cherem. 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 Now, let me see those who can put their two and twos together. What do you think is the word wait? If wait for me is cherem, wait here is chereba. What do you think is the word for wait in the Igbo language? Write it down in the comment section. Remember, learning a language involves listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Speaking. So write it down. When you write it down, you won't forget it, okay? So don't think, oh, I know it, I don't know it. Even if you know it, write it. Tell me, what is the word for wait in the Igbo language? So our next one becomes shut up. Shut up is mechie ọnụ. Mechie ọnụ. Shut up. Mechie ọnụ. Shut up your mouth. Mechie ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. Will you shut up your mouth, dear? Mechie ọnụ gị ebe ahụ. Mechie ọnụ gị ebe ahụ. Now, this is the same thing with close your mouth. Close your mouth is also mechie ọnụ. Ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. So if someone is opening his or her mouth, say, Nneka, mechie ọnụ gị. Nneka, mechie ọnụ gị. So in essence, mechie is close. Close is mechie. Now, next one is let's leave. Let's leave. Ka anyị pụọ. Ka anyị pụọ. Ka anyị pụọ. Now, can you remember what I said is leave in Igbo language? You know it. Write it so you don't forget it. Write it down in the comment section. What is leave in Igbo language? Let's leave. Ka anyị pụọ. Sit down. Nọdụ ala. Sit down. Nọdụ ala. Now, by now you should know that anywhere you see ala, it can also be ana. Anywhere you see elu, it can also be enu. So if you see nọdụ ala, be sure that there are some people who will say nọdụ ana. We only use nọdụ ala for standard Igbo for the sake of writing, okay? But that doesn't mean that some people who say nọdụ ana are wrong. So nọdụ ala, nọdụ ala, nọdụ ana, nọdụ ana. Now there are also several dialectical ways to saying this sit down. My own part of the Igbo land, who will say sukere ana, sukere ana. So we say donọdụ, donọdụ, donọdụ. Okay, but I don't want to bother you with all this, okay? Just learn nọdụ ala or nọdụ ana. Now, bend down. Bend down is hunata ala. Hunata, bend, hunata, bend, hunata, hunata. Bend down, hunata ala. Bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend. Bend low. Okay, it's bend low, bend low, bend low. The Igbo part is hunata, hunata, wanne hunata, hunata, wanne hunata. You sing it along. So bend low, hunata, bend, bend, hunata, hunata, bend down, hunata ala, hunata ala. That to tell you also hunata ana is correct. Kneel down. Chika, kneel down. Chika, sekpuru ala. Sekpuru ala. Sekpuru ala. Sekpuru ala. Sekpuru ala. That sekpuru is kneel down. Sekpuru ala. Kneel down. Squat. Squat. Tukuru ala. Tukuru ala. Tukuru ala. Tukuru ala. Squat. Tukuru ala. Now, I want you to think, how will you say go and kneel down there? I've told you already know what the word go is. I already know what kneel down is. I know what there is. Now, put these two things together. How will you say go and kneel down there? Tell me in the comment section. Remember, writing is part of learning a language. So, write it down. Go and kneel down there. How will you say it? Now we continue. Lie down is dine ala. Dine ala. Dine ala. So you okay. So here dinere ana. Dinere ala. Dinere ala. So we put la and ra something of that. Dine ala. But lie down, I just make it simple. Dine ala. Dine ala. Okay, dine ana. Dine ana. Dine ana. Come down or climb down. Come down, maybe you're upstairs and someone asks you to come down. Nneka, come down, let's talk. Nneka, come down. Nneka, climb down or climb down. You up a ladder, climb down or up a tree. What you will say is rituo ala. Rituo ala. Rituo ala. Rituo, come down. Rituo, 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 rituo ala. Rituo ala. Nneka, rituo ala ka anyị kpaa nkata. Come down, let's discuss. Nneka, come down, let's discuss. Climb up. Now, I want you to climb up. We will say, rigo elu. Rigo elu. Nneka, rigo elu. Rigo elu. Remember, like I previously said, elu, enu, elu, enu, ala, ana. So can also be rigo enu. Okay, think about it. I finished talking to you and you are not social. So I'm asking you to think about it. Think about it. How will you say it? Che echiche makaya. Now, echiche is thought, and that's now. My thought towards you. Echiche mo banyere gị. My thought towards you. I know the thought I have for you. Ama m echiche nwere maka gị. O nwere banyere gị. Echiche is thought. Che echiche makaya. So people will just show that echiche. Say che makaya. Che makaya. But to make it sound stronger, to stand well, you say che echiche, because think is che echiche. Why thought is echiche? Che echiche makaya. Think about it. Cook the food. How will you give someone that instruction? This is number 20. Yeah? Cook the food is sie onri. Cook the food obo sie onri. Sie onri. Sie onri maka na agụụ na-agụ mụ. In my previous video where we talk about 19 sentences on food, we talked about agụụ na-agụ mụ. I am hungry. So you better go back to that video if you are here to watch it. Sie nri maka na agụụ na-agụ mụ. Cook because I'm very hungry. Cook food because I'm very hungry. Oh, because I'm hungry. Because there is a difference between I am hungry and I am very hungry. I explained it in the previous video. Eat the food now. Yeah, you commanding your baby that your baby that does not like eating. So you're commanding him how to eat food. Say, what eat the food now. So eat the food then becomes rie nri ubua. Can also be rie nri kita. So noun can be ubua or kita. Jump up. Jump up. How will you say that? All you need to simply say is wulielu. Wulielu. Wulie Nneka jump up. Nneka wulielu. Nneka jump up. Nneka wulielu. 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 You can also hear wunye enu. That's the lily because nene. Wunye enu. Wunye enu. Wunye enu. Jump up. So what would be jump down? If jump up is wulielu, jump down become wutuo ala. Wutuo ala. Wutuo ala. Or can also be wutuo ana. Now clap your hands is kwo akage. But most times we don't put that akage. Clap your hands kwo aka. Because you already know it's your hands. Is it my own hands that you come and you clap? That's why most times we don't put that ge. I'm just trying to be following the English way of saying clap your hands. That your hands. But to be realistic, we don't put ge. We just say kwaka. Kwaka most times. Yeah, sometimes you can say kwaka ge. But even if I say kwaka, use your hands now. You know it's your hands that you're going to clap. Is it my own hands? So clap your hands is kwa akage. Kworo Jesus aka pam pam. Na ndi mozi ya pam pam. A song like that. Kworo Jesus aka. Clap for Jesus. So clap your hands is kwa akage. Clap for someone is kworo. Kworo maka. Clap for me. Kworo maka. Clap for me. Clap for your teacher. Kworo onye nkuzi gị aka. Kworo onye nkuzi gị aka. Clap for your teacher. Oh my God, our time is already fast spent. So we do be stopping this class here. Oh, I'm stopping at number 24, but I have up to 85 right here. So watch out for my part 2 of this. And if you enjoy this, like this video, tell me in the comment section. Ozioma dalu. It does not take anything from you. Dalu Ozioma. Email Ozioma. Tell me in the comment. I want to see it. And if you're not a part of this family, subscribe. See ya, Cody.